spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. This week's episode is once again brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Diecast Models Wholesale. With over 10,000 different items in stock, Diecast Models Wholesale has the die-cast or plastic kit, car, truck, plane, tractor, or tank model you're looking for in a variety of scales and at competitive prices. Check out this 1/50th scale International Lone Star Sleeper Cab truck, or this 1/50th scale Kenworth Tandem Axle Dump Truck, or check the webpage for thousands of other products today. New on Amazon, Steam Trains, A Modern View of Yesterday's Railroads by James P. Bell is now available for pre-order in new hardcover, paperback, and Kindle editions. Few images speak as clearly of a time and a place as a dramatic black and white photograph of an American steam locomotive powering through that storied era of railroad history. All the new photographs in this beautiful book meticulously recreate that original style, capturing the bygone age of steam rail against the settings of its heyday, including period architecture and other details. The result is this crisp, stunning quality of contemporary photography of the iconic locomotives of yesteryear. This fantastic photographic gallery features 23 preserved steam railroad lines and events covering a 25-year period. Menards has released new flat car multi-packs decorated in Chicago and Northwestern, U.S. Army, Norfolk Southern, Canadian Pacific, Union Pacific, Pennsylvania, Burlington Northern, and Milwaukee Road in 2-packs for $24.99 before rebates, and select road names are also available in 8-packs for $84.96 before rebates. The cars are available online or in stores now. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 O-Gauge Rail King 50-foot double plug door boxcar in Chessie System, Norfolk Southern, Chicago and Northwestern, Union Pacific, and Great Northern colors next spring. Each car will retail for $69.95, and each of these offerings will be available in limited quantities and is expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in April 2024. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale AC 4400 diesel locomotive in unique Santa Fe black bonnet scheme for Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. The locomotives will be available in 2 individual cab numbers in very limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of January 2024. The early order price is $569.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge auto carrier in distinctive Long Island colors for exclusive distribution by Train World in Brooklyn, New York. The cars, which contain 4 1949 Cadillac Coupe de Ville vehicles, will be produced in 2 car numbers in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in December 2023. The early order price is $79.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an uncatalogued production of the Premier O-Scale 34-foot composite hopper car in 3 unique Delaware and Hudson schemes for exclusive distribution by the Metropolitan Division of the TCA. The cars, which feature a different D&H Herald and unique car numbers, will be available in very limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of November 2023. The early order price is $89.99 plus freight. True Color Paint has introduced a new line of paints specially formulated to adhere to 3D printed and cast resin parts. The line currently includes 14 colors and retails for $7.69 each for 1-ounce bottles or $13.98 for 2-ounce bottles. Wit and Wisdom Models has announced a very limited production of an O-scale model of B&O's distinctive DR Tower at the crossroads of the B&O in Deschler, Ohio. The kit is made from resin-impregnated wood and plastic. The kit retails for $90 plus tax and freight. And last but not least, keep warm this winter with cozy railroad-themed blankets from Amazon. Remember that this channel does receive a small commission on qualifying scales generated from the links on this channel, so you can find the item you want and support our channel at the same time. And of course, remember to check out our latest long-form video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.